Alright, today we have a 2001 Chevy Silverado. The customer is complaining of the blower for the air conditioning not working on speeds 1 and 2, which is a sign that the blower resistor is bad. So we got a new blower resistor. It's an AC Delco part from Auto Parts Direct to You. This is what it looks like. We're going to show you how to install this. What you're looking at now, we are directly below the glove box, the passenger floorboard. On this truck there is a large panel that needs to come down before we can get to the blower resistor. There's two 7mm bolts holding that in place. One is right here. We'll go ahead and take that out. A little bit further up under here, it's hard to see, but it's up there. Okay, once you get those undone, this whole panel should drop down enough where you can get up inside here, and this plug right here is going to the blower resistor. Usually this panel will come all the way out. This customer has a aftermarket thing in our way, so we're just gonna have to work around it. But normally you would just pull this whole panel out. There are two 5.5mm bolts that hold this in place. One right here and one on the opposite side. Okay, now with those bolts out, this resistor will pull out. You can see this is actually the old style. It had a circuit board, rather than, if you look at the new style, it's got a, I don't know, a ceramic piece. It's just more durable. Now what you do, there is one plug coming off of it that goes back to the blower motor. You want to disconnect that. It's a little tricky to get to. You might have to use a screwdriver. There's a little clip that you have to depress in there. And then the plug should come out. You can see here, you have to basically depress that as you're pulling it out. Now, undo this connector here. Now, a very common problem on these trucks, this one's actually okay. These connectors will burn up. Not literally burn, but they'll melt and they end up needing a replacement. This one looks in good shape still, so we're just going to go ahead and reuse it. Now we'll take our new blower resistor. Go ahead and plug it back in. And plug it back into the blower motor. Now before I fully install it, I'm going to test it, make sure all the fan speeds work. We're just going to cycle through all the fan speeds, make sure go back to high, make sure high works. All right. All fan speeds work, so we're good. Now all we have to do is bolt everything back in. And we are done. That's all that's required to replace the blower resistor on this 2001 Chevy Silverado. It's the same setup from all the Silverados, I think up until like 2007. So we thank you for watching, and again, keep autopartsdirectyou.com in mind next time you need some parts. And thank you.